Hey everybody, Zach here. Welcome back to the channel. It's time for another Shiba Inu update. So in this video, I am going to tell you where I bought more SHIB today. Yes, I bought the dip, and I bought it on an exchange that you may or may not have access to yet. Might have already given it away, but that's okay. We're going to talk about that in this video. Also, another article out by FX Street talking about Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, how the top two cryptocurrencies in the meme category could dip a little bit further before we see an uptrend in the charts. Should we be buying dips? We're going to get into that in this video. First and foremost, let's take a look at the price here, down 5.97%. We're down to a $2.7 billion market cap, the entire market pulling back here as we speak. Let's take a look at the overall market here just a second. We're down 3.88%, still above 2 trillion, which I like to see. Bitcoin a little above 47K, Ethereum a little bit above 3,100. Cardano at a nice price, I think, in my opinion here, 257. And we scroll down a little bit further. Anything else really on sale? XRP and Dogecoin, nice price points. A lot of different targets here in terms of assets that are dipping that you can go after right now. Polygon is another nice one at 141. All right, so with all that being said, I did go ahead and buy more SHIB today because I got this email right here. Dear valued client, we are inviting you to join the Shiba beta test on Webull Crypto. SHIB is the latest addition to the list of digital currencies you could trade with Webull Crypto. Buy and sell popular cryptos like Bitcoin, Dogecoin, ETH, Ethereum Classic, Cardano, Stellar. They made a typo there. Zcash and Dash. You can trade cryptocurrencies 24/7 all year round. Now, here's the cool thing about Webull, right? They don't offer a ton of cryptocurrencies yet. So anybody that is trading cryptos will be exposed to SHIB. We're seeing a little bit of a sell-off right now, but I think over time, when we get a full rollout here on Webull, this could be a really big catalyst. And I also think we've got the two major catalysts lingering. I can't see Coinbase not listing it, all right? And I've said this before, but it just makes zero sense as to why they wouldn't list it. They're already on Coinbase Institutional. I think it's just a matter of time until it gets to Coinbase. Robinhood, same thing. With all of the data that we have now at our disposal in terms of how much money Robinhood has made from Dogecoin, just people trading Dogecoin on the platform, is Robinhood turning into a crypto-heavy, exchange? Well, a little over 50% of in the last quarter was crypto trading. So, drop your comments down below already if you're getting some inclinations that you've got to let me know something. What are your thoughts on Webull adding SHIB? Where do you think the price could go here? I want to hear from you down below in the comment section. Also, give this video a thumbs up right now. Pause the video. Totally free to do it. Really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. If you're new here, welcome in. Let's continue to read this email, though. Note, please make sure you are on the latest version of the app, 7.1.9. I had the latest version there. And then they kind of walk you through how to do it. So I already told my Patreon members earlier today that I went ahead and bought more, so I figured it's time to tell people on YouTube, too, that I did go ahead and buy more. Now, if you want to know exactly when I buy and sell, you can go with the Insider package here, and you'll know exactly when I buy and sell. You're going to get hot weekly crypto alerts, particular assets, when they're dipping, when are good times to get in, when are good times to sell, portfolio guidance and help. That means I will take a look at your portfolio for you and help you in any way I can. Of course, it's not financial advice. It's only for entertainment, informational purposes only. You've got to take my advice and gather some other data and make your best decision. You're also going to have access to the group portfolio, which is only for insiders. Now, if you just want to go with the $10 package, that'll get you right into the Discord. Of course, the $20 package will get you that as well. But if you just want access to over 120 patrons talking crypto all the time, $10 per month, and you're in the conversation, you know exactly what we're doing as a group over there. So come on over and join us. We'd love to have you. All right, so let's jump into this FX Street article here. It says here, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu consolidating. Analysts predict further drop in price. Dogecoin accounts for 26% of Robinhood's revenue in Q2 of 2021 as traders bought the meme coin aggressively. Both Doge and SHIB have consolidated for the past couple weeks. Analysts predict further meltdown in the Shiba Inu-themed meme coins. Dogecoin correlation with Bitcoin is on the rise Interesting. And Doge prepares for a 30% drop. All right, so are we going to be buying the dips? I'll be buying dips on both these assets, and I'll tell you why. Because I think it's just setting up. I think this is the final dip, in my opinion here, before the big rise. I think this is the final dip before the big rise. That'll take us right into quarter number 2, where I think a lot, and I mean a lot of assets are going to be flying sky high. Again, I want to hear your thoughts down below in the comments. Let's get them rolling down there. Also, thumbs up, don't forget. No thumbs down, we don't want that. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu gear up for nearly 30% price drop. All right, so let's jump into this a little bit deeper. So I want to reiterate some of this stuff on Robinhood. The commission-free stock trading and investing platform revealed that Doge accounted for 26% of the exchange's revenue. Despite aggressive Doge buying from traders on Robinhood, though, the meme coin's wealth distribution appears lopsided, with 91% of the altcoin circulating supply held in whale wallets. Although, you know, a lot of people make a big point of this. This is pretty similar across the board. Maybe not to the extent of 91%, but I don't know. I think this point is often overstated. Of course, that's why they're whales, right? And sure, if they all collaborated and left the ecosystem, yeah, it would drastically hurt the price. There wouldn't be a lot of support there. But how likely is that to happen? I don't think very likely. Considering Elon is now on the Dogecoin Foundation, we know he's one of the whales, right? I mean, we don't know for sure, but let's be honest, right? Analysts and traders heavily criticize the centralization of Doge's supply. This criticism likely accounts for a drop in interest of traders in the Shiba Inu-themed crypto. In case of Shiba Inu now, the community is awaiting a listing on Coinbase and Robinhood. Neither exchange has issued an official announcement. Coinbase did issue an official announcement, but we just haven't heard anything since June 16th. Analysts at FX Street have predicted that the altcoin's price is preparing for a 30% crash since its lost support earlier this week. Now, I just want to address all this FUD real quick, okay? So, this thing reverses next week. These articles will be, oh, here comes SHIB, ready for 60% uptick, right? Because you have to realize how these, websites operate, right? It's what's hot right now. They're not really predicting the long-term outlook. And if you know anything about me, I am long on SHIB. I am long on Doge. Very long on Ethereum. Very long on Cardano. So I don't care if there's a 30% crash or correction or whatever the heck you want to call it. I'll be buying those dips. I'm in at Dogecoin at 25 cents. If it gets below that, I'm buying. And my Patreon members will know. If SHIB's price gets below the 6.1 level, that's where I'm in right now. If it gets below the 6.1 level, I'm buying. And that's it. All right. So I'm not letting the FUD mess with my investing because I make up my own mind after I've taken in all the information I need to. Now, that could change, obviously, over time. But right now, I am confident in these two meme cryptocurrencies. And SHIB, I think, is setting up for a big rally. I know this little dip is frustrating. A lot of people saying, Zach, what the heck's going on with the markets? I think this is the healthy correction that we needed before a parabolic move upwards, in my opinion. We'll see what happens. Give it a thumbs up if you got some value. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.